Sharon Hall is exactly the kind of professor we all wish we could have had in college. She's an incredibly dedicated mentor, and her students rave about how much that she's helped their careers. She is a strategic leader in the development of curriculum, especially around the areas of environmental science. And she's also a role model for her students. She's also the faculty lead for the conservation biology and ecology major. And under her leadership, the major doubled in size because of her ability to develop the online version of that program.
As an ecologist, I'm interested in conservation of ecosystems, both managed and natural. But as a child, I grew up in Oakland, California, and so that was my environment. And I didn't go camping that much. I didn't have a real close connection to kind of big wilderness or big environment, which might have been out there. But what I did have is I had my household pets, I had my backyard, and I had the neighborhood around me. And so I became really quite interested in understanding people's relationship with nature in their home environment. Really, my gateway to ecology was through the marine environment, and I took a class in the Monterey Bay area and learned to dive and saw the wonder of the rainforest of the ocean, which is the kelp forest off the coast of California. And at that point, I saw all of the amazing interactions that were happening beneath the water where us humans couldn't see it on a daily basis, and my mind was just blown. And so I thought, okay, how can I play a part in conserving and protecting and spreading the word that these ecosystems are important for us to think about and protect?
One of the things she's done is Nature at ASU, which is an undergraduate research and development program. And this empowers students to think about what they can do in their careers to impact the natural world, and also think about our relationships with the natural world. In that program, she works closely with student leaders and in developing an inclusive environment. So not only are they tackling a critical biological problem, but they're also building a spirit of empowerment, a spirit of inclusion in everything they do.
I think ecology is the study of us. It's the study of our planet and us in it, and how we interact with all of these other things that are happening in our lives in this very complex way. It's during the times that I'm teaching that I feel most alive and most hopeful, and it's these ASU students in particular that are, helping me get out of bed and come to work every day.
In addition to her research program, she brings students into her research world in a way that empowers them. This is critically important to developing the next generation of scientists and of citizens that understand the impact of humans on the ecosystem.
So not only is Dr. Hall an outstanding researcher, but she's able to also bridge her passion for research with her commitment to education. So as a National Science Foundation funded investigator, she's also gotten NSF grants to cover educational training opportunities for undergraduates, which are great chances for students to learn how to actually carry out research. And of course, her expertise is valued. She serves on the advisory board for the Andrew Mellon Foundation and has also advised a number of other efforts. And so, Dr. Hall is truly a treasure here at ASU.